Hello, this is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. Just listing this 19 SPX Outboard from Sea Ray. The boat is like new in every way. It's a really great shaped boat. You have a cooler in here, storage underneath both cushions. We added a 10-inch Garmin to the unit, and then also he added a depth finder here. The boat has 88 hours on it. Upholstery is like new. Owner's packets here, sea deck here, and on the transom area of the boat. Powered by a 150 EFI Mercury. Cooler here. Storage compartment over in this area. And then back in the back here on the sun pad, we have tons of storage, life jackets. These are the original life jackets when I sold the boat new. Ski pylon. The bimini's in great shape. Like I say, the boat has 88 hours on it. You have a storage compartment in the floor. Currently have the covers in there. The covers are like new. This seat over here transforms. That's the other seat. Pulls out, goes over here to make that position there. So you have additional bench seating, storage box there. Battery switches in here. We added a dual battery switch. And the boat's in really great shape. If you're looking for a like new 19 SPX Sea Ray, give us a call. MarineMax Savannah, Chet Porter, 912-525-0961. Thank you.